In this video, I'm going to show you how to take off hand grips from a handlebar. This could be applicable to either a motorcycle, e-bike, or bicycle. This is a real easy trick that I learned back in the day working on motorcycles, and I'm going to actually use a prior video and just piece together a couple clips from that to demonstrate how it's done. What you'll need is some isopropyl alcohol and probably a rag. Anyway, enjoy. Here we go. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our isopropyl alcohol, and there's a hole in the end of the handlebar here, or the grip. We're going to pour some in there. We're going to work it in, and we're going to work it in around the grip here where it's kind of separated, and we're going to work it back and forth. And that is going to make our life a whole lot easier once the alcohol gets worked in there. Just like that. And it'll pull right off. Now believe me, you could not have done that like that easy without alcohol. I know it looked a little difficult, but it really wasn't. Is we're going to take the grip, and we're going to take our alcohol, and we're going to saturate the inside of the grip with the alcohol. On a hot day like this, it evaporates really quick. And we're going to work that onto the grip like so. We're going to position it kind of equal to the other one. Make sure the throttle isn't binding, and we're good to go. As you can see, that was an easy video. So easy, even Bigfoot or a squirrel could do it. All you need is a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. That's going to save you a whole lot of work. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Out!
Done. That was slicker than Bigfoot snot. Cone type, minor adjustment needed.